Hi guys, this is the final of the 5 sessions on racism and inequality. I really hope that through the sessions I've helped you to understand some of the terminology that's being used in the media, and that you are better informed to make your own decisions and judgments about things. I also hope these sessions have provided you the opportunity to see things from a perspective that might be different to your own. People who have slightly different experiences and different ways of helping you to see the world. This session really is just for you to show what you know. I'm not going to teach you anything more. What I'd like you to do is, based on the things that you've been through in these sessions, is to create an information sheet about racism and inequality. This should just be one side of A4. And it doesn't mean lots of facts and statistics or what have you, but just imagine someone you meet someone who knows nothing about what the word racism means, what the Black Lives Matter movement is, what the term white privilege means, and you're just helping them to understand a few of the issues that we have been looking at. Now, for those of you who would like to continue to find out more, I've put on these slides, which again are back on Show My Homework, some videos you might like to listen to on YouTube. This is on Miss Hodgetts' library, the virtual library, list of books you might like to read, which are around similar racial issues. There's podcasts you can access. And you might choose to watch this movie, The Hate U Give, which is based on a book. It has an age rating of 12, and you might have to talk to your parents about whether you think it's appropriate, but it deals with some of the issues to do with the Black Lives Matter in a fictional context, and there's some discussion points and so on for you. So all of this is on Show My Homework, all of these pages, so you can examine them more closely. I really hope that you have felt that you've understood a little bit more about these issues, and obviously you can send any work you've produced to your PSHE teacher. Thanks guys.